Actually, today very less, sir.
Will come and join, no?
They will come, sir. They will come late.
And tell me.
Yes, sir.
Recording is on.
Answer.
On.
Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Exam over, huh? Is it exam completed?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's why so many members they didn't join still. Let's see. Oh, Priyanka. We are studying about the center of mass. What is center of mass? Ananya, what is center of mass? Santosh?
Sir, center of mass is when all the mass of the body is concentrated in one.
At that one point, yes, center of mass. Okay. Even center of mass, how to calculate it? We discussed about one formula, right? R center of mass equal to, what is the formula I have given? M1 R1 plus M2 R2 by M1 plus M2. It is the center to calculate the center of mass. And if it is X direction, R place right X. If along X direction, then R equal to X. Along Y direction, R is equal to Y. Replace. Then replace. Then replace. R equal to X. R equal to Y. Along Z direction, R equal to Z. That's all. So remember these formulas to calculate the center of mass. Now see. Now look at this. Case 1. How they can ask problem.
Sir?
Hello. Ananya, tell me.
So can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you, Ananya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Case 1. How they can ask problems in this. They given mass M1, that is 2 kg, and mass M2.
Sir, last class, the formulas that you gave are center of mass.
Yes.
Could you explain that again? Because you had given two formulas for our center of mass. I
No,
didn't
ma.
understand.
No. That's what just now I explained. Just now I explained that.
So my connection was unstable.
Yes. Wait, just see. I given R center of mass, right? Position of the center of mass is M1 R1 plus M2 R2 by M1 plus M2, right? I given.
Yeah, and again you gave M1 X1 plus
That's
M2
what
X2.
it is, the position. Okay, this position can be anywhere. It is in the 1 dimensional, it can be in the 2 dimension, it can be in the 3 dimension. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
If center of mass lies only along the X direction, only along the x direction, then r equal to x you will place. If center of mass lies along y direction, then r equal to y you will place. If center of mass even lies in the z direction, then r equal to z you will place. That's all. So x, r place x.
Okay, yeah, I wrote it wrong. I wrote everything on Y. That's it.
Now did you understand?
Yeah, yeah.
So this r can be in the 1 dimension, 2 dimension, or 3 dimension. If it is along x direction, r plus x, r1 plus x1, r2 plus x2. If it is in the y direction, if it is in the straight line, like in the vertical direction, then r plus y. So remember that. Now look at this, how they can ask problems. First problem, there are two masses. It is 3 kg and it is 5 kg.
Sir,
Nagbhushan, just now I started, ma.
no, sir, I don't want to ask about center of mass.
Ah.
Sir, I have few doubts on collisions.
Okay.
Sir, can E be greater than 1?
E?
Be greater than 1.
E greater, no.
Sir, then
E-
how does trampoline work?
E equal to only, E can be 1, E can be 0, or E can be 1 by 2.
Sir,
What-
then how does trampoline work? Like you jump higher than what you were jumping initially.
Okay.
Sir, then how does that work?
Every action there is equal opposite reaction, right? Even how much force you are applying, that is depending on the force.
Okay, sir.
That is
Sir, I
depending
have
on
a
your
doubt.
force. Ah,
Sir, a diamond to a diamond collision is elastic.
what is that?
Diamond to a diamond.
Diamond to a diamond. If there is no any change in shape, elastic collision.
Sir,
Perfect elastic collision.
sir, most of the collisions are partially elastic or inelastic, no, sir?
Most of the collisions, because only suppose when we are talking about the carom coins, so carom coins mostly that is a elastic collision only. We can't say mostly, that is basing on the situation. Carom coins or some of the balls we will play,
Sir,
right?
depends upon external forces also, right?
Yes, even.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, we know that collisions are based upon mass, shape, and type, no, sir?
Yes.
Sir, today our teacher was like subatomic particles,
Mm.
when they collide, they are purely elastic.
Okay.
But I oppose that, because once we see an subatomic particle, that time when its mass is very low, no, sir?
Very, very less.
Yes, sir. So we can either consider one mass, that is resting mass,
Mm.
or moving mass. There's something called moving mass also, no, sir?
Yes, something, even moving
Yes,
mass
sir.
also will be there.
Yes, sir. So that moving mass also can cause inelastic collisions, no, sir?
Moving mass, so see,
So the
masses,
mass
I will feel
inside-
like masses are very, very small, okay? And subatomic particles are very, very small. When it is collision happen, actually there will be some loss. I don't say that there is no loss. There is some loss of energy in the form of heat. So inelastic collision can happen. Yes, inelastic collision, it can be inelastic collision also.
So it is not 100% elastic.
No, not 100%,
Yes.
because when we are
Also,
talking about electrons, when it is strikes with proton, it loses some of the energy. It comes out in the form of heat there also.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one more doubt also. When atoms and molecules collide,
Mm.
we know atoms and molecules are not 100% round in shape, but we know that it is the shape is determined by electron density, no, sir?
Yes.
Yes. So when two molecules come closer, there will be distortions in electron density. We learned that in chemistry, sir.
Yes,
So that
yes.
also affects. Yes, sir. So that also affects in collision, no, sir?
That also affects. If we see like, see even,
So,
yeah, even suppose when what we are talking, suppose two carom coins if we take, then that is a elastic collision I am saying. But if you go through like very deep, if you go, then there is some changes, there is some loss.
Sir, so this is the reason why they deform, no, sir?
Yes, yes. deformation. Let's see, ma. So case 1, how they can ask problems in center of mass. Suppose
Sir, sorry
now
to disturb.
tell
Sir, we have day after tomorrow our physics test.
okay.
Work over energy is also coming, sir.
Mm.
What theory type questions can come from it, sir?
Yeah,
Because
I will send in WhatsApp, okay? Chat
okay,
with
sir.
me, I will send, because now I can't stop. Even still I am the collisions only. I have to go to even rotational dynamics also. Still
Yes,
I
sir.
didn't complete one part. There is a one more lesson, that gravitation. So that's why, okay? Anything is
Okay,
that type of things, ask me in WhatsApp, okay? I
okay,
am
sir.
free at a total day, so I can explain, okay? Come on.
Okay, sir.
So here learn, and how, which type of problems they will ask in collision and how to solve that. So case 1, I divide like this because I understood like this. So let's see. Now it is mass m1 2 kgs, and one more mass is 5 kg something I have taken. There are two masses, and these two
So on the
masses,
same axis.
yes, same axis, that you can see clearly. I don't want to say that is in the same axis or not. You can able to see in the question itself, okay? So it is y axis and it is x axis.
Sir, one minute.
Tell me.
The formula that you gave, RCO, R center of mass is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2.
Yes,
M1 plus M2. There, the masses were in XY plane, right?
yes, x
So then
plane,
they
y
will
plane,
already,
z plane.
yeah, they will already give R1 and R2 over there if it is in between two planes.
Yes,
Okay.
r1 and r2 they will give, okay?
Okay.
Distance they will give. If they don't give distances also, how to calculate, I will explain, okay? Come on.
Okay, sir.
Now here, from here to here, they have given 1 meter, and this is 2 meter distance they given. Meters no need, centimeters, it's better. Centimeters. So it is the origin. Origin is a very important. Every time we have to take origin, because I told you position vector, if you want to mention, there should be origin. So from where you are considering that mass is very important. So origin is important. Look at this now. Now one of the mass from the origin, 1 centimeter distance, that is 2 kgs mass, and one more mass is here. So where center of mass exists between this? So both are in the x direction only. So x center of mass equal to, tell me now. Tell me the formula. Both are, all are in the xy plane only.
M1 x1
Sorry, x
plus
plane only.
M2
So
x2.
m1, what is m1 here?
2.
2 kg into r1, how much? Means with what distance it is?
1.
1.
1 centimeter.
1 centimeters. Plum m2, how much?
5.
5. What is r2?
2.
2 by m1 plus m2, how much?
7.
7. So 10, 12 by 7. 12 by 7. So x center of mass is 12 by 7 centimeters. 12 by 7 is nothing but nearly 12 by 7 is like 1 point. So 1 point more than that, right?
Sir, why is it centimeters?
So I took like centimeters. You can say in the meters also.
No, sir. For COM center of mass, why did you put unit as centimeters?
Center of mass lies between the center of mass means where it exists. Where it exists. So that is the distance. From where?
So what is SI unit?
SI is meters only. Meters, like that.
So this we have to convert to meters.
No need to convert, ma. If they give centimeters, take in centimeters. If they give in meters, take in meters. You no need to convert anything. They will give everything that you have to substitute and you should get. Now total problem they have given in the centimeters only. So I written centimeters only. No need to convert. Okay. Now 12 by 7 is nothing but what? Between these two, what is the gap? Between these two, 1 centimeter, right?
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. But answer what you got? 12 by 7. 12 by 7 means 1.5, 4, 7, 1.4, 1.4. See how much you are getting? 1 point.
So 1.7.
So 1.7. 1.7
1.7
means center of mass does not exist here. It will exist like somewhere near to the heavier mass. Center of mass exists near to the heavier mass, because up to here is 1 and 1.7. It is 1.5 means it will comes here between that. So 1.7. So center of mass exists near to the heavier body, towards the heavier body. Remember that. Center of mass always exists towards the heavier body, heavier mass. So here we learned one thing. Center of mass always lies towards more mass. More mass. Look at this. If it is 5 kg and it is also 5 kg, so where center of mass exists? Between these two, right? If it is 5 kg, center of mass exists between these two. If it is 6 kg, then center of mass goes near to the heavier mass side. Try to understand. Let's see. One more example, then you can understand. Come on. One more example. Look at this. 5 kg, 5 kg, x-axis, y-axis. From here to here is 2 centimeters. From here to here is, I have taken 3 centimeters. It is origin 0, 0. Now tell me the formula, center of mass. How to find out the center of mass? First, x center of mass. Anybody should respond.
Sir, 5 into 2 plus
5
5
into
into
2
3
plus 5
5
into
into
3
3
by
by 10.
10. So 5
Yes.
into 2 is 10 plus
Sir, it is
15.
1.5.
So 10. So it is 25 by 10. 2.5. 15, 10, 25 to 2.5. So 2.5 means existed somewhere here, right? From origin, it exists 2.5. It is 3, so 2.5. It is 2, 2.5. Total is 3. So from the origin, from not this body, from this body, if you take from this body, total, what is the distance between these two? 1 centimeter, right? Between these two, 1 centimeter only, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now from this body, if you want to calculate 2.5, from this body, how much? 2.3 minus 2.5, 0.5. So it is 0.5 from this body. From this body is 0.5. From this body also 0.5 only. From origin 2.5. Center of mass lies from the origin 2.5. From origin. From this body, already 2 gone, so 0.5. So like that, when they have given problem, immediately you can substitute the values and you can get center of mass. So look at that, from where they are asking to calculate. Are they asking center of mass from the origin? This what? From the body, center, this minus this. If you do 2.5 minus 2, from this body you will get. So remember like that. Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, yes.
Yes, come on, like look at this. One more question. Now look at this. 4 kg and 4 kg. Okay, two bodies they given. They didn't give any origin. They didn't give any origin. So distance between these two bodies they have given D. Distance between these two bodies they have given D. Mona Lisa, is it our class? Huh? Priyanka?
So I guess she is only for max. I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, let's okay. Understand? So here they didn't give any origin. Now what you have to do, you know? Case 2. If they don't give origin, we have to make any one mass origin. So I will make it is a origin. I will make it is a origin. So it is 0, 0. It is 0, sorry, D, 0. What is 0, 0? On the x-axis 0, y-axis 0. This mass on the x-axis D distance, y-axis 0 distance. It is y-axis. It is x-axis. Ananya,
Yes, sir.
understand this one? They given two
Yes,
masses,
sir.
ma. They given two masses. They didn't give any origin. If they don't give origin, we have to make one mass as a origin. So here it is at origin. Origin means 0, 0. And distance between these two is D. So this mass is exist from D distance from the x-axis, 0 distance from the y-axis, because in the y direction there is no any distance for this. Now x center of mass calculate. X center of mass equal to how much? X center of mass how much?
Sir, D by 4, 4D by 4 plus 4.
So first M1, M1 means 4. R1 how much? 0. Because it is the origin. Plus M2 means 4. R2 means D. So M1 plus M2 means 8.
Sir, D by 2, sir. Answer.
D by 2, right? So X center of mass equal to D by 2. So D by 2 means what? D by 2, right? See once, if the masses are same, then center of mass lies between the two masses. Correct only. This center of mass at D by 2 distance from the first mass.
Okay,
Even
sir.
from the second mass also you will get the same thing.
Yes, sir.
Clear, Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when they don't give origin, we have to make one mass as a origin. Case 2. That's what. See one more problem. Priyanka, clear ma?
Yes, sir.
See one more question. How they can ask? 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay. 3 kg, 1 mass, 3 kg. Second mass, 4 kg. Third mass, 2 kg. Fourth mass, 1 kg. Masses are like this. Calculate center of mass. They will ask. Calculate center of mass. Have they given any origin here?
No, sir, but we should assume.
We should assume. We should assume that. Now I will make like this. It is x-axis. I will make this is y-axis. After making this, come on, look at this carefully. 3 kg. After making this, what is the position of this mass?
Origin 0, 0.
So 0, 0. What is the position of this mass? So everything is a distance, okay?
We can consider-
Sorry. A distance, okay? Everything is a. Everything is a. Every side
Sir,
is
if they
a.
don't give, that time we can consider to be one a unit, no, sir?
Unit, consider something, some letter only, A, B, C, D, like that. Unit
Okay, sir.
1, if you don't do 1 or something, take one letter only. Okay.
Sir, if we take unit 1, it will be just a fraction.
Yes, yes. Okay, now tell me what is the position of this mass?
A comma 0.
A comma 0 means along the x-axis A distance, along the y-axis 0. Tell me what is the position of this particle?
A comma A.
A comma A. Why? Because from the x-axis, from the x A distance, from the y A distance, A comma A. Tell me what is the position of this object?
0
0
comma
comma A.
0 comma A means along the x, this particle is not lying along the x, so 0. Along the y at A distance. Oh, Nagbhushnam,
Yes, sir.
you are joining second time.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, remove that, sir. I only joined once.
Okay, leave. Ananya,
Yes, sir.
how many center of masses are there now?
I have a doubt, sir. Did that account have any picture on it?
No, no picture. NA, that's all.
Okay, sir. Leave it, sir.
Ananya, which formula we have to use now? Now center of mass you will get in the 2-dimensional. Along x you will get, along y you will get. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. X center of mass equal to x center of mass. Tell me.
So, can you explain the diagram again?
Yes, ma. Yes, nothing is there. See, before they have given masses. One is 3 kg, 4 kg, 1 kg, 2 kg. So they given masses like a square, and each and
So,
every
four masses are here.
4 masses they given,
Okay.
and the 4 masses they given as a square, and distance between each and everything is A. Okay. They didn't give origin, so I made one of the axis. So I made this mass is a origin. If they don't give origin, we have to make that is a origin. So I made. So origin means 0 comma 0. This mass is A distance from the x-axis, 0 distance from the y-axis, because it is lying on the x plane. This mass is along the x direction and along the y direction. So A comma A. This one, this mass is exist along y direction, not along x direction. So 0 comma A. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now here 0 comma 0, A comma 0, A comma A, 0 comma A. So along x direction and y direction is there. So I will write x center of mass first. X center of mass is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 plus m4 x4 by, because 4 masses they given, m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4. What is m1?
Sir, but all of them are not in x-axis, no?
No problem. For how many masses they given, that we have written. Now whatever it is not there on the x-axis, that will get cancelled itself. Let's see. So m1 how much? 3. x1 how much? 0. Okay. Plus m2 how much? Priyanka, can you?
4A, sir. It would be
So
4.
4. And x2 how much?
A.
A. Plus m3 how much?
A. Sir.
M3 is
1 into A.
1 into A. M4 2 into
0.
0, because along x component is 0, by m1 plus m2 plus m3. So 4, 8, 10. 10. So now 0, 0. So 5A by 10, nothing but A by 2. So x component is A by 2. Now center of mass lies along x component is A by, total is A. So a by 2 distance, center of mass along x direction. Come to y component. Again y, center of mass equal to m1 y1 plus m2 y2 plus m3 y3 plus m4 y4 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus m4. Ananya,
Yes, I got it.
tell me what is m1?
3 kg.
3. What is y1? What is the y
8.
component?
0.
That's all.
Okay.
0 plus m2 how much?
4.
4. y2 how much?
0. 0.
0 plus m3 how much?
1A.
y3 a plus m4 how much?
2A.
2. Y component is a by 10. 0 0. So 3a by 10. So along y direction total is a. So 3a by 10 means mass is somewhere here. So center of mass lies here. Center of mass lies here.
How, sir?
Because along the y direction 3a by 2. 3a by 10. 3a by 10 means how much? 0 point, right?
Yes, sir.
So 0 point something. 0.3?
0 point something in y direction.
Yeah, 0 point something in y direction. A by 2 in x direction.
X direction.
So r center of mass, position of the center of mass is a by 2 along x direction and 3a by 10 along y direction. It is the position of
yes,
center.
sir. I got it, sir. Got it, sir.
Because 2 they given, 2 we got. Nagbhushan, understand ma?
Yes, sir.
Why became so dull?
Sir, nothing.
Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Clear ma?
Yes.
Prajwal? Bhargav?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand ma?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, one more problem. You try to solve this. I will see how you will solve. Third problem. M, 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 A, A, A. Everything is A. M, M, M. So A component is A. Each side is A, because when we are drawing the each side is A. Each side is A. Find center of mass. Find center of mass. What will you do? Have they given origin?
Sir, no, sir.
No
So we
origin.
should assume.
So we
Sir,
have to assume.
Sir, once we assume the origin, sir, I think it's better to mark ABC because all the masses are same.
Yes.
So we can't decide from relative to what mass we are saying.
Yes, let's see. We will see. Okay. So A, B, C, whatever you want to take. Let's see. Now origin I will make. It is I will take as a x axis, and I will take as a y axis. All masses are same, no? We know all masses are same. Okay. So M1, M2, M3 how to take? Take M1, M2, M3. What
Sir.
will you do? M1 equal to?
Sir,
Tell me, ma.
sir, what will be the coordinate for M3, sir?
That's what we have to see that. Okay. Now, what is the coordinate for this one?
0, 0.
0, 0. What is the coordinate for this
A,
one?
0.
A, 0. Okay. Come on. It
A by
is.
2.
It is.
A by 2.
A by 2 is the x. Then why? So for this component, it is A by 2, comma. So what you have to do, you know, here you have to apply
Oh, okay.
The trigonometry.
Aggress.
trigonometry. So this height, if you want to find, what we have to?
So it'll be 60 degrees.
Multiply
Sir.
sine.
60. So
Mm.
So even Pythagoras would help us.
Yeah, Pythagoras theorem we can use.
I thought
So we
to
get
find out
the
this.
altitude, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So find out this, how much it is. Then y component you can write.
So it is
Sir,
root 3 by 2a.
Very nice, ma.
Sir,
Root
we can
3 by
also
2a.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can calculate directly by sine 60 into a.
Yes, sine 60. Sine 60, if you calculate, then you will get root 3 by 2. Yeah, this is the y component. Understand? You should not write this is the y component. Okay? You have to take y component is in this direction. It is not y component. Here we have to apply sine theta, then you will get y component. X component is, it is exactly in the middle. So x component is a by 2. Y component is root 3 by 2. Now, problem easy. Can you solve now? X center of mass. X center of mass equal to M1 x1 plus M2 x2 plus M3 x3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. What is M1? M1 is M, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, M1 is M and X1 0 plus M2 M X2 how much? A plus M3 X3 by 3M. M plus M plus M, 3M you will get. So it is MA plus A by 2. How much? 3A by 2?
3a by 2m.
3A by 2
A by
by
2. It would-
3. MM get cancelled. So you will get like A by 2. A by 2. Along
Yes.
X component. Yeah. X component is A by 2. Calculate Y component. Y center of mass equal to how much? M1 Y1 plus M2 Y2 plus M3 Y3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. M1 how much? M. Y1 0. M2 how much? M. Y2 0 plus M3 how much? M. Y3 root 3 by 2 into A by 3A. So you will get 3M. MM get cancel. So root 3 by 6 into A. Clear? So position of the center of mass equal to A by 2 comma root 3 by 6A. Even 6 you can write 2 into 3. After 3 you can write root 3 into root 3. You can get cancel. 1 by 2 root 3 also you can write. Getting my point? So this 6 you can write. So this 6 I will write 2 into 3.
Necessary, right?
Again,
Because like the denominator.
ma?
Like it is already in the standard form, so
Ah.
we don't need.
No need to write. That's enough. No need to enough.
Sir?
Suppose if you see any thing, right? So immediately root 3, because options when it is not there, root 3 into root 3, root 3 will get cancelled. 1 by 2 root 3a. Options, when they have given options, if you don't find that option, then
Yes,
useful.
Sir,
Tell me.
so if the all masses are same,
Mm,
as well as it has side A,
yes.
so can we say geometric center itself?
Yes. Geometric
so if,
center.
sir, so if masses are same, it is nothing but geometric center.
Masses same. Regular shape bodies. I will say regular shape bodies.
Sir, even irregular shape also have a certain geometric center also, no, sir?
Yeah. Irregular shape bodies also, certain geometric center will be there. The geometric center only center of mass. Even this type of object also we can find out center of mass. It is irregular, but center of mass lies at the geometric center. I will show you that experiment tomorrow. With experiment, I will explain when irregular shape bodies how to calculate center of mass. Am I clear? Can I?
Yes, sir.
So this is the formula we have to use. And did you find this formula we are using only when the masses are different? When the masses are different, okay, suppose one mass, second mass, there are two masses, different masses. 1 kg is one body and 1 more kg is one body, so two different bodies.
basically different bodies.
Okay, two different, yes, between the two different bodies, 2 3 masses are different masses. That type of things we are using. Okay,
In this question, if they give the positions in terms of vectors, then
vectors
like
they
I
only.
cap, j cap.
I cap, j cap, that's all. Along x-axis is I cap, along y-axis is j cap, that's all.
So
But they
k
will,
cap.
k cap also will be there. That type of question I will explain. So one
Okay.
question I will write. Now you can't solve that, but I will explain one day. Let's see, one day not. I will try to explain. Let's see. This type of object, if they have given, what will you do? Look at this. Look at this. It is three-dimensional now. You asked me, right? J cap also. K cap. Let's see. Two m, 2m, 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 and this surface is m, 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 m. This type of body. How to calculate? Let's see.
Sir, I think, sir, I have some idea. First, we'll find the center of mass for one plane, and then the center of mass of the second plane, and we'll consider these 2 points as different masses, and then we'll find the center
Even
of
we can
mass.
find center of mass like that. Okay, we will
Yes,
see
sir.
this question answer. If you want to get easily, actually if you write components, it is 3D picture. So if you take it is the origin, if you take it is the origin, you should imagine if it is the origin 0 comma 0 comma 0, if it is the origin, it will become how much, you know? Tell me how much it will become. Each and every side is a, each and every side is a,
comma 0 comma 0.
a comma 0 comma 0. Okay, come on, it will become how much, you know? Now z axis and x axis
Sir,
and
A
y axis.
comma 0 comma A.
Here a comma
0 comma A.
0 comma a, because it lies along the zx plane, so y is not there. This point 0 comma 0 comma a, because this point lies along the z axis only. This plane, it is lying xz plane. There is no x. So 0 comma a comma a. This point 0 comma 0 comma a, because this point lies along y-axis only. What about this point? This point?
Sir, that should be 0 comma a comma 0, no?
Yeah.
The previous one.
Yes, yes. A comma 0. What about this point? This point. It is lies in the
0.
a comma 0. What about this point?
Sir, triple A.
A comma a. So even coordinates we can find out like this. But if you solve this sum like this, it will take a lot of time. So look at this. Remember this question. When I will solve, I will explain. Can I?
Yes, sir.
I have given mass m. 2 masses I given. It is m. And one more mass is m. Distance between these is r. Okay. Look at this. Mass m. One more mass m. And distance between these two is r. So center of mass. If I want to find out the center of mass, I will make it is the origin. That's what I told. It is x-axis. It is y-axis. Look at this now carefully. Result is very important. I'm going to say something. Its result is very important. This is 0 comma 0 and 0 comma r. Sorry. R comma 0. Right? Santosh, understand clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at this. X center of mass equal to x center of mass equal to. So I given r. Okay. What can we write? M1 0 plus M2 R by M1 plus M2. This is what you have taken, like x center of mass equal to M2 R by M1 plus M2. Very important result. Very important result. For two particle system, now the center of mass is from this mass. From this mass, R1 equal to M2 R by M1 plus M2. X center of mass. Center of mass between these two is from this mass, this much distance. From this mass, Priyanka,
Yes, sir.
did you understand, Priyanka, this one?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm taking R, no, so R center of mass. I'm taking as a R center of mass. So this R center of mass from where? From
Origin.
origin, from this mass. So if I want to find out center of mass from this one, R center of mass equal to M1 R by M1 plus M2. Come on, look at this. Nothing is there. 2 kg, 4 kg. Distance between these two is 4 centimeters. Find center of mass from 2 kg mass. From 2 kg mass. Find center of mass from 2 kg mass. From here, I have to find out what is the center of mass distance. So, center of mass equal to M2 R by M1 plus M2. So, M1 4 R 4 by M1 plus M2 6. So, 4 4s are 16 by 6. If I ask find center of mass from 4 kg, what will you do? Find center of mass from 4 kgs. What will you do?
I'll take a negative.
No need. M1 R M1 plus, no negative, no positives.
Sir,
We are
we can
fine.
subtract this quantity from 4. That's it.
Yes. So M1 R M1 plus M2. M1 is 2 R 4 by 4 6. So 8 by 6. one more. This is very important. Okay, now see, 4 kg, 3 kg, distance is 2 meters. Find center of mass from 4 kgs. What will you do? Center of mass from 4 kgs, how much? What will you do? Santosh.
3 into 2 by 7.
So 3 means
6
M2
by 7.
into
6
2
by 7.
by 7. So 6
6
by
by
7.
7.
That's all. Find center of mass from 3 kgs. From 3 kgs.
So you'll take 4 as M2.
So
4 into
4
2 by
into 2 by 7. So 8 by 7. See that? Easily we can find out. We can find out easily. And look at this. This is from R1. From R2 means it is R2. R2 is nothing but M1 R by M1 plus M2. Now if I multiple here M1 and if I multiple here M2, if I multiple here M1, if I multiple here M2,
Sir, why multiplying?
I don't see. Okay, leave. Clear?
Sir, I have a doubt.
If I multiple with M, if I multiple here M and if I multiple here M, what will happen? Both are same, right? No changes, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, ma.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. So, like, when we take this practically,
Yes.
like you took that 2 kg, 4 kg, or 4 kg, 3 kg example. So there they haven't mentioned the origin, right?
Origin they
So
didn't mention.
practically,
Mention.
yes, sir.
Mention. What I'm saying, find out center of mass from 2 kg. So 2 kg is the origin. Find center of mass from 4 kg. So 4 kg is the origin.
But again, when we see from different angle, like if we take from 2 kg, then you have center of mass different, and then when you take from 4 kg, you have center
Obviously,
of mass different.
center of mass is different when we are seeing from this. When we are seeing from this, it will be different. If both masses are same, then center of mass, if you see from here, same. If both masses are same. If both masses are not same, center of mass always exists near the heavier body, towards heavier body. That's what we written, no? Center of mass always exists towards the heavier mass side. If both masses are same, center of mass definitely lies between the two masses only. Look at this.
Basically, those string questions that we used to do, where we used to find tension and all.
Yes.
So there we can apply this.
We can apply. Like, look at this. 4 kg. 4 kg. Distance between these two is, I given 2 meters. Look at this. Center of mass.
Yes, sir. I understood. Here it will be same only.
Here you will get 1. Okay. From this also 1 and from this also 1 only will get.
Yes,
because
sir.
Like that. So 2 particle system, if you want to find out center of mass from first body, from the first body, if you want, R center of mass equal to mass of second body into distance between them by M1 plus M2. If you want to find out distance from the second body, then R center of mass equal to M1 R by M1 plus M2. Remember this. Multiple here with M and multiple here M with M. So it will become similar. That means you can write M1 R1 equal to M2 R2. Even I will prove this. Wait. Is it same? Can we find it is same or not? Look at this.
Sir, it's same for both having same masses.
If it is not having same mass also, we will try. Let's see. Look at this. 4 kg.
Okay, so when masses are equal, then M1 R1 equal to M2 R2.
No, no, I don't say like that. Let's see. 2 kg. 2 kg. Distance between these two is something 2 meters. Now calculate R center of mass from 4 kg. From 4 kg. Calculate how much R center of mass from 4 kg.
Sir, 4 by 6 meters.
4
2 by 3.
4 by 6. So 2 by 3. R center of mass from 2 kg. 2 kg. It is my R1.
4 by
Sir,
3.
1 by 3.
4 by 3. It is my R2. Okay. M1 4 R1 2 by 3 equal to M2 2 R2 4 by 3. 8 by 3. 8 by 3.
Okay, okay, got it, got it.
Okay,
I
yes,
thought
yes,
sir, now I
the
understand.
center of mass is different.
Even if it is
Mm.
different also, M1 R1 equal to M2 R2 only. Why? Because here center of mass balances.
Sir, at the center of mass, that's the other side as well as towards 4 kgs as well as towards 2 kgs, the masses are same.
Yes. Means from the center of mass, both masses are same. From the center of mass. Understand clearly? From the center of mass, body masses are equal. From the center of mass. It is 4 kg, it is 2 kg. So you will get center of mass here towards the heavier body side. Center of mass always exists towards the heavier. But here M1 R1 equal to M2 R2 equal to same. M1 R1 equal to M2 R2. That is same. Clear?
Sir, so it will be same for everywhere where two bodies are there.
Yes. Two particle system, it is always true. For the two particle system, it is always true. M1 R1 equal to M2 R2. And from the first body, if you want to find out center of mass, M2 R by M1 plus M2. From the second body, if you want to find out M1 R by M1 plus M2. Santosh, did you understand, ma?
Yes, sir.
Priyanka,
Yes, I
did you
understand.
understand? See, Priyanka, one question I will give, try to solve that. Then whatever I explain now, from the M1, how to calculate center of mass of M2. So one question I will give, try to solve. If you can solve, then I can feel that you understood the concept. Mass of this body is M. Mass of this body is M. Okay. Length of this object is L. Length of this object is L. Find center of mass. Find center of mass of this object. Find center of mass of this object. Come on, look at this. To this body, where is the center of mass? Tell me. To this object, where is the center of mass?
In the middle, sir.
Sir, L
In the
by
middle.
2.
So
Yes.
L by 2 distance, right? L by 2 distance.
Yes, sir.
L by 2 distance. From this also L by 2 distance. To this body, where is the center of mass?
Again, L by 2.
Again L by 2
Yes, sir.
distance. It is also L by 2 distance.
Sir, so it will be midpoint of these two.
Yes, center of mass lies This mass is same. This mass is same. So center of mass lies. I don't say. Now look at this. So it is take is the M1. Take it is the M2.
Sir, L by 4.
L by 4. L by 4 from here, right? Between these two.
Coordinate will be L
From
by 4
both
by L by 4.
actually, sir.
Ma?
Because they are same length and masses,
Yes,
right?
both.
So
Both.
from
both
both it will
same.
be L by 4.
Both same. From this end, from here to here is, so center of mass lies at L by 4, right? That's what you are saying. That's what
Yes,
you are
sir.
saying, right?
Yes, sir.
But your total length
Hmm.
is how much? From this end, how much it is? From this end. From here, L by 2. From here, L by 2. L by 4. From here,
3L by 4.
yes. L minus L by 4. So 3L by 4. See this. Now center of mass lies here. To this type of object, center of mass lies here. L by 4 distance from this body. From this end, 3L by 4. Understand clearly how to solve this type of problems?
Yes.
Sir.
Okay. So previously I given one problem I given previously to you. Come on. Previously I given this type of problem to you. Sorry. This problem I given to you. It is I had 2m, 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 2m. It is first surface 2m, 2m, 2m. So first surface it is 2m, 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 2m. Second surface m, 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 m. So behind this m, 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 m. Now center of mass, where it will like exist? Where it will exist, center of mass?
Between.
These two. So total mass how much? 4m. Total mass how much? 8m. So from 4m to 8m, where is the center of mass? So from 4m I am calculating center of mass from 4m to 8m. So distance between these two is a, because everything is, we have given a only. I remembered we given a. So 8a by 12, that means a by 3, sorry, 2a by 3. 2a by 3 along x direction is a by 2. Along y direction how much? Look at that. Imagine surface is here.
Sir, A by 3, sir. Sorry, sir. I consider the front one. Sorry. It will be 2A by 3.
From this, because this is the origin, no? Second surface is the origin, right? Second surface is the origin. First surface is here.
Yes, sir.
From
Yes,
the
sir.
second
I
surface,
consider-
2a by 3, z direction. So a by 2 along x direction, a by 2 along y direction, and 2a by 3 along z direction it will be. A by 2 along x direction only, because if you take a surface, its center of mass like exists here, a by 2 distance. Even y also a by 2 only, but z is 2a by 3. Ma, this center of mass along x direction how much? A by 2 only, no? Ananya.
Yes, sir.
And even y direction also a by 2 only, no?
Hmm.
But between these two bodies, z direction 2a by 3. So combine a by 2, 2a by 3. Clear? Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Priyanka?
Yes, sir.
Clear, ma?
Sir,
Ah,
disconnected. Can you explain
I know,
again?
Ananya. Just now you joined. Okay. So first surface is this much, right, Ananya? First surface 2m, 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 2m. 2m, 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 2m. So center of mass lies middle. Behind one more surface, m, 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 m. So center of mass again lies here, center. So total mass is 4m. This total mass is 8m. So where center of mass lies? So from this 4, center of mass lies
Towards
2a by
8m.
3. Yes, 2a by 3.
Okay.
Along,
Okay.
along x direction, a by 2. Along y direction, a by 2. But along z direction is 2a by 3. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
So 2a by 3
Is the z component.
from. Okay.
From origin to z component.
So which one you're taking origin, 4m or 8m?
4. 4 is the origin. 4 is the
Yeah,
origin.
yeah. Okay. got
And
it.
one body is here. Now, from x direction, a by 2 will be there. Along y direction also.
I
A by 2,
understood now.
but from the z direction, it takes like. Look at this. Very important sums now. This type of sum you definitely will get. Let's see. Two bodies I am giving 2 kg. Concentrate. 2 kg and 6 kg. And 6 kg. 2 kg and 6 kg. Okay. Now, if the 6 kg body moved, now 6 kg body moved 2 meters. 6 kg body. See, come on. 2 kg, 6 kg. Center of mass will be there, right? Center of mass will be there at some here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, somewhere here, here or somewhere it will lies. Now what I'm doing, 6 kg body, I am shifting to 2 meters. When I'm shifting, what will happen to the center of mass?
Sir, it will move more
It will
towards.
move. It will
Yes,
move,
sir.
right? But my concept is how much distance how much distance 2 kg body should move so that our center of mass is constant. Center of mass should not change. I am shifting 6 kg body 2 meters. When I'm shifting, center of mass also will shift. But I have to move 2 kg body even this side or this side.
Sir, away.
This side I have to shift, right?
Away.
Because
Yes,
if I
sir.
shift this side, again center of mass will change.
We'll go closer. Yeah.
Yes, it will go again. Then if you go like this, center of mass will go. It will go like that. So I have to move 2 kg body this side. When I shift 6 kg body, I have to shift 2 kg body. How much? That's what the question. Understand clearly? Priyanka, did you understand the question, ma?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, right? I
Sir.
shifted. Ananya, come on.
So 2 kg body is also moving the other side.
Come on. Ananya, see, question C. Don't forget this. Just I am shifting 6 kg body 2 meters, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So center of mass will shift or not?
Yeah, it will.
But how much distance I have to move 2 kg body so that center of mass should be at same point?
Oh, okay.
Okay, center of mass should be there only. If I shift 6 kg body, center of mass will shift, but center of mass should not shift. So I have to shift 2 kg body this side. Then center of mass lies here only. So how much? That's what we have to calculate. Which formula will
So
you?
why will you have to shift it other side?
If you
So
shift
that it
this
remains
side,
constant.
come on. If you shift this side, center of mass shift, no?
But it will remain constant only, no? Because the distance between 2
No.
kg and 6 kg.
No. It should not change. It should not change. It should be here only. It should be here.
Okay. From the origin, if you take.
From the origin, it should be here.
Okay.
From the origin,
Okay.
it should be here only. It should
Sir?
not change. Tell me, Nagbhushan.
Sir, 2 kg should move 2 meters backwards, no, sir?
I will say that. We will see. We will see that. So what formula will you use?
Sir, that formula which we took for two bodies.
M1 R1 equal to M2 R2. M2
Yes, sir.
R2. That means center of mass is constant. So M1 how much? 2 kg. R1 how much we have to shift, that we have to calculate. M2 is 6 kg. R2 is 2 meters. So 2 R1 equal to 12. So R1 equal to 12 by 2. That is nothing but R1 equal to 6 meters. I have to shift that 6 meters. This side I have to shift. So 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 6, 12. Center of mass is there. Two masses are same. Center of mass does not change. It will be in the middle. Understand this concept? Definitely they will ask questions like this type of questions only they will ask. I shifted 6 kg body or some other body, some meters. How much I have to
Sir,
shift? Tell me,
but
Ananya.
it like 6 meter doesn't tell that which direction you're shifting 2 kg, right?
That which side that we have to consider. Why? Because look at this. If I shift here, obviously this center of mass will shift. No doubt in that. No doubt. If 2 kg body coming towards the center of mass goes away from the 2 kg body, goes near to the 6 kg body. So definitely I have to shift center of mass this 2 kg body this side, so that center of mass remains constant. Understand?
So I understood theoretically, but I don't know.
Practically
I
you
didn't
want. Practically you
understand the
want, right?
part of
No need.
yeah.
I will explain.
Because what's the point of shifting the other side when the distance between the two masses is increasing anyway?
Nice. Come on. Nice. Very good question. Why we have taken only 6K? Very nice. Look at this. Tell me the center of mass formula. Say X center of mass equal to M1 X1 plus M2 X2 by M1 plus M2, right? Can I? Center of mass formula. Okay. Now I am differentiating. Ananya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I'm differentiating. So delta X center of mass equal to M1 delta X1 plus M2 delta X2 by M1 plus M2. This delta X center of mass. So center of mass change means shift. If there is any change in the center of mass, it will be there, right? This is representing that change in center of mass, right?
Yeah.
Now what I'm saying, center of mass should not change, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will make it is 0. Center of mass, there is no any change in the center of mass.
Okay,
There
didn't
is no.
change.
So now this will become 0, right? Obviously.
Yeah.
So you will remain with 0 equal to M1 delta X1 plus M2 delta X2. Okay. Now
Okay.
minus
So we'll
M1
get
delta
yeah.
X1 equal to M2 delta X2. So one body if you move in this direction, one more body you have to move in this direction, then only both will become, means center of mass. There is no any shift in the center of mass.
So we should get R1 as -6, no?
Obviously. So right, this side is negative, no? So we have to shift this much, opposite direction. Opposite direction we have to take according to this formula. So use this formula then. So R1 you have to shift opposite direction. Clear? Nice question. Nagbhushan,
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Did you understand this type of questions how to solve now?
Yes, sir. It's easy only, sir.
Okay, remember one more model. Come on. Same thing. One more model I'm going to explain. Look at this carefully. Santosh,
Yes, sir.
understand ma?
Yes, sir.
Gopal Krishna.
Understood, sir.
Yes, come on. So center of mass should not change even if you shift one of the mass. Then immediately remember this formula, you will get answer. Important, this type of sums they will ask. Look at this one more model. Look at this. Come on, question. Again, 2 kg body, 6 kg body, 2 kg body, 6 kg body. 6 kg body I shifted 3 meters. 6 kg body I shifted 3 meters. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much 2 kg body I should shift so that how much 2 kg should move so that, okay, so that center of mass shift 2 meters.
So I have one more doubt.
Yeah,
I don't know if it is correct or not, but generally when we find r, the value of r, that is considered the from origin. Like if you consider 2 kg as origin, so distance between 2 and 6 will be considered as r in general when we take it in graph. Here, you are taking, in the previous question you moved the 6 kg body 2 meters, so you took r2 as 2 only, but whatever the distance from 2 kg, I mean
initially from 2 kg body, initially distance, initially how much is there if you want to calculate. Again we have to go to center of mass problem and we have to calculate x center of mass equal to m1 r1 plus m2 r2. Same thing you have to do.
so we don't need to consider that r
No need,
at that time.
no need that.
Sir,
Tell me Nagbashnu.
so I have a doubt. That 2 meter shift is towards 6 kgs or away from 6 kgs?
Here
Yes, sir.
same formula use same formula. Look at this,
Sir, you
How
get
much-
two solutions then, sir.
yes, look at this. We will see how much 2 kg body I should shift so that center of mass shift to 2 meters. So delta x center of mass equal to m1 delta x1 plus m2 delta x2 by m1 plus m2 use. Now center of mass should shift how much? 2. Center of mass should shift 2. And m1 2, x1 how much I have to shift? m2 6, 3 by 8. So 16 minus 18 equal to 2 delta x1. So 16 minus 18. So 2 by 2. Here minus, no? Yeah. You are getting positive. So you have to shift 2 kg body towards it. Positive you are getting, so 2
So
kg.
you'll get negative only. 16 minus 18 is minus 2.
And okay. Yeah. Sorry. Then opposite direction. Opposite direction to this. Understand this model now?
Sir,
So delta x is -1, no sir. You wrote -2.
Delta x here, delta x is what?
Sir,
So
final
that's
answer I'm saying.
final answer is
It's
delta
-1.
x1 equal to -1, means it is the delta x1, right? So you have to shift this opposite direction. -1 meter you have to shift. So that center of mass shift 2 meters. Nagbhushan, ask ma.
sir, I have a doubt. Now
Ask.
consider practically
Yes.
is 6 kg, 2 kg. Now 6 kg, if I move some distance, there will be, sir, then 2 kg can have two possible scenarios, no, sir. One, it will move towards 6 kg so that the center of mass shifts 2 meters. Other, it can go far away from 6 kg so that the shift also will be 2 meters. One is towards 6 kg, 2 meters. One is away from 6 kg, 2 meters.
Yes,
So,
but when we are getting a answer, basing on the answer, minus when you are getting, that means you have to shift this side.
yes, sir, but here it's not applicable, but other case it can be applicable, no, sir.
It can
Here,
be.
why it's not applicable is once 2 kg moves 1 meter, distance between them is 2 meters itself.
Yes.
It's not possible.
Yes. Yes.
But, sir, when you take large distance, there are two possible scenarios, no, sir, like
Yes.
that.
Yes. It can.
Sir, in this question, which direction is not mentioned, no, sir?
Not mentioned, but you got negative, na? You got negative, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you shift, it is right. Then you have to shift this left,
Left.
like that. Left
Okay,
or right. They will give in the question, right side or left side.
Yes, sir.
Basing on the answer, you have to write left side or right side. Okay. If they shift right side, 2 kg body, you have to shift left side. That is -1 meters. This is also very important. Remember this. So with this, one more concept is there, motion of the center of mass. With that, your syllabus over. But I will explain one more thing, that is, see once here, if you take this body, where it is a continuous charge distribution. So where center of mass lies here?
Sir, at the center.
At the center. So what is the proof? We should know proof, right? How? Why it is only L/2?
Sir, I think we should do like this, sir. We know it's made up of indefinite number of particles.
Yes.
So when it's indefinite, we need to use integration.
Integration method we have to use now.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
so when you are discussing about this formula is not applicable here. This formula when there is a different masses, but here masses continuously distributed. Continuously. Here one mass, here one mass, not like that. Masses continuously distributed. So this formula we can't use. So which formula we have to use? We will learn in the next class. So I will try to complete by the next class how much I can. So I will start rotatory motion. So do you have any doubts till now here?
So that is it. Center
No,
of
sir.
mass, nothing else is there.
Center of mass, this is enough. For your syllabus, it is enough. Only motion of center of mass is there. I will show you what is motion of center of mass.
So 23rd November onwards, our again unit test is starting.
Portions?
This chapter and one
They
more
didn't
chapter.
give, sir.
No,
Not
there were
start.
2 chapters. So told. It was the center of system of particles. Then one more chapter I forgot. I'll let you know.
Problem.
in class.
Then no problem. Did you understand center of mass concept clearly now?
Yes, sir.
So one more topic also we will start. Okay, so early we will start. Okay, ma.
I
See you in the
have
next
doubt in
class.
one of the question.
Priyanka, tell me.
So I have doubt in one of the question which ma'am had given in our class.
Okay, Priyanka.
Sir,
Can
we
you
can
send?
leave.
Can you send
Okay,
Priyanka?
sir.
Yeah. Send.
Yes, I'll send.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.